A sophisticated and iconic cocktail, the Vesper was made famous by James Bond in Ian Fleming's novel Casino Royale. It's a strong and elegant mix, perfect for those who like their drinks shaken, not stirred. You will need the following ingredients: 3 ounces gin. Traditionally, Gordon's gin was used 1 ounce vodka, preferably a high-quality, grain-based vodka, half an ounce Lillet Blanc, a French aperitif wine, similar to vermouth, 1 lemon twist, for garnish. For equipment you will need cocktail shaker, jigger, strainer, martini glass. Here are the instructions. Add the gin, vodka, and Lillet Blanc to a cocktail shaker filled with ice. Shake well until the mixture is thoroughly chilled. Strain the mixture into a chilled martini glass. Garnish with the lemon twist by twisting it over the drink to release the oils, then dropping it in. The Vesper was invented by Ian Fleming for his literary character James Bond, and was first mentioned in the 1953 novel Casino Royale. The original recipe was different because it called for a now discontinued product named Lillet, which has been replaced by Lillet Blanc.